Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dog Go to the Moon token. Ticker symbol is DOG. Now this is a new, very popular Rune token. It just got listed on a few big central exchanges here. We're going to go over the information on the DOG Rune token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is doing amazing right now. So this is brought to you by Leonidas on Twitter. Their at is at Leonidas NFT on Twitter. And it shows here how crazy this token's going. I believe they said that it is actually number 9 in meme coins or something today, doing very well. And it just got listed on a few different central exchanges. So you can find it at unisat.io/runes/dog-go-to-the-moon. But you could easily find it if you just go to the Twitter in the corner of the screen there, the Leonidas NFT. But basically, yeah, the supply and pre-mine of this token is 100 billion. They have 72,702 holders. It's a lot of holders. And basically, it says the timestamp when this was created was April 19th at 2009. And yeah, so you can find it. It says non-mintable. And yeah, so anyways, you can find all the info there on unisat.io. But this token just got listed April 25th, which is today, at 12 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called gate.io. So you can get this token by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC. Open your account, fund your account on Gate with USDT, go into the trade section and search DOG, and then simply just buy the token. Or you can get it off Bitrue. Now, if you don't have a Bitrue account, I do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the description box. You can easily just do the same steps. Just click on that Bitrue referral code, open an account, and do the same thing. USDT, search DOG in the trade section. And at same listing time, it got listed on Bitrue April 25th at 12 o'clock UTC time. Cool thing about Bitrue is they're doing a contest, like an event on here. So one of them is deposit DOG and share up to 5,000 USDT. So there's like a little incentive contest on here. And then, yeah, it says to celebrate the listing of the hottest Bitcoin runes. Satoshi is one of them. And so I just did a video on the Satoshi rune. And there was another one called Meme Rune. So those are the two first runes that I talked about on this channel. And now we have the DOG one. So to celebrate Satoshi and DOG on Bitrue, they're launching this exclusive deposit event, and you can learn more about that on Bitrue. So check out that Bitrue referral code down there. And I believe we got one other central exchange listing as well. So it says, runes are a new concept that rely on the robustness of the Bitcoin network It has a low participation threshold for asset distribution and a good user base. However, runes are still in a very early stage, and there's uncertainty about the actual utility and whether the subsequent upgrade of Bitcoin Core will also support runes. So users must understand clearly and pay attention to the risks. In particular, long-term holders need to be cautious. So just totally be aware of that warning right there. These runes are very brand new. Now, according to Gate, the DOG token here is up 828% right now. Going bananas today, this token. So yeah, there was a tweet from Leonidas here 5 hours ago, and it says, DOG is now the 9th meme coin in the world by market cap. So that's crazy. And then also, there's a new news article on Bitcoin.com about the DOG token. So you can check that out here. It's entitled Marketplaces See Surge in Runes-Based DOG Token Trading. Market cap now at $319 million. And that was from, looks like about 9 hours ago. That article came out. And yeah, so there's tons of info. Most of the info about this is going to be on the Leonidas's Twitter here, where he started talking about the DOG token here and posting about it. But yeah, there was one other central exchange listing. I was trying to find it. Gate is one of them. And yeah, somewhere else. Oh, here it is right here. Coinw. So it got listed on Coinw, Bitrue, and Gate. And there could be other central exchange listings as well. So if you just go into let's see here. So if you just go DOG Rune Bitcoin.com, you'll find the news article where they talk about it. So that should pop up right away. Real easy to find. Yeah, there it is right there. So that'll give you a little bit of insight. Since there's no actual web page for this token here, that's a good place to learn about this. So it says, on Thursday, the newly launched Runes protocol token named DOG Go to the Moon climbed to the pinnacle of runes-based tokens in trade volume across non-fungible token marketplaces, including OKX's NFT market and Magic Eden. In 24 hours, the token amassed approximately $13.2 million in trading volume between these two platforms and now boasts a market cap of $319 million. Henceforth referred to as DOG, the token linked with Leonidas's runestone NFT, DOG Go to the Moon, has established itself as the leading runes-based coin in terms of trading volume. The runes token DOG is currently priced at 5 Satoshis on Magic Eden and is trading at 5.14 Satoshis on OKX. It's going to be very different now. This is 9 hours later. At OKX, DOG has achieved a 24-hour trading volume of $6.15 million, whereas on Magic Eden, the volume reached over $7 million. DOG is a rune-based coin. It was developed by Leonidas, the founder of Ord.io and creator of the Runestone NFT project. Every holder of Runestone was granted an airdrop of the DOG token, with each receiving more than 800,000 coins from the total supply of 100 billion DOG tokens. Currently, about 73,245 holders possess the DOG token centered around the Runes ecosystem. So DOG ranks as one of the largest Runes-based tokens as far as market cap. And yeah, that's basically it. This token is just killing it. So go check it out. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Bitrue one. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.